Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into a step-by-step tutorial on how to transform your Trello board by changing its background. Let's jump in. First, open Trello and navigate to the board you want to personalize. This step is all about locating your workspace. Think of it as setting the stage for your project. Next up, look for the Show Menu button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. The reason we do this is to access the board's settings, where the magic of customization begins. Now that we've done that, a sidebar will appear on the right. Here, you want to click on Change Background. This helps us because it directly leads us to the customization options. Once you've clicked Change Background, you'll see different background options. You can choose from colors, pictures, or even upload your own image. This is your chance to get creative. The customization of your board's background can enhance your visual experience and make your tasks more enjoyable. After you've selected your desired background, click on Save. This final step locks in your changes and applies the new background to your Trello board. It's the equivalent of putting the final touches on your masterpiece. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Trello board's background. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your workspace into something that resonates with your style and personality. Remember, a well-curated Trello board not only makes your work visually appealing, but also improves your productivity. So go ahead, play around with different backgrounds and find what suits you best. Until next time, happy organizing.